Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
Got into something. First cast. First cast. First cast. Oh, nice bass. Oh wow. Oh, nice bass. Hold on, fella. Hold on. Oh, real nice bass. Real nice bass, guys. What's up? Oh wow. Look at this. First cast, guys. Oh wow. Look at the size of that bass. Look at that. Good gracious. Let's do a short with them. Okay. Hey guys, let's go on the second one.
All right. Let me call back right now.
All right, second one, guys. Let's get them back in the water.
Just keep right.
Awesome.
I caught them from down. I caught them last week.
Lake Madam Mesquite?
Yeah, you got to go ahead.
Oh.
There's a bass right there. That's like a crack.
That's a big bass.
That's another big bass. Well, it's going to be time for me. It's going to be time for me to go Rod, I didn't even bring the same stuff I fish with, Rod. That's what he used.
Oh.
Hey, you ain't got to
That was nice.
you can take a picture of your buddy. You can let him see that.
Yeah, man.
Man, run him down.
Third one, you guys.
Bilal, they'll hit anywhere in this pond. This pond, that pond over there. Probably any of them.
Let's get a weight on this guy, see how big he is.
Oh, boy.
Yes, sir. This a meal right here, man.
For y'all. But Bilal, I'm telling you, we got so many crappie, white perch, and black drum.
About
two deep creams.
Let's see.
I ain't got nowhere to put them.
Hey guys, fishing the same place using the same bait, and they getting bigger and bigger, guys. What a wonderful day.
Wheels on the case, we try to save it.
Oh, stop biting me.
You know what freedom field, another street field from?
Yeah, you got to go around it, and where you walk at now, it's real muddy. I go all back there.
And you know, I know.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. I looked to see if anybody had cut that tree down. I'm like, somebody trying to keep me out of here. Yeah, it fell. It fell down. This one ain't weighted yet. I got to let me get this hook out of his mouth. I'm gonna put my scale on. Yeah, these treble hooks, man, they will get you quick.
His mouth ain't big as he want to. His belly bigger than his mouth.
Yeah, he eating good. Okay. 4.9. I'm surprised.
I ain't.
If his mouth was a little bigger with his body, he would get on up there.
I used to tell the guys, I said, hey, man, if you can't fit your fish in his mouth and turn around like that right here, don't even think about it though. It's 10 pounds.
Alright guys, as y'all can see, out on the boat this morning. Out here with my buddy Rome. We're gonna see what we get on. So y'all guys stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. Let this fella go. Let's get him back in the water. You had to have an attitude, but thank you. GoPro, stop recording. You're right. Hey, look at this dude. Huh? Nah, he ain't. Yeah. 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 Hey. Yo, look at this guy. So what? Woo! Let me weigh this guy. Let's see how much this guy weighs. 6'11". What? 6'11". Let me see that fish. 6'11", you guys. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. 6'11", you guys. God almighty knows. You know something, guys? Just got on the bass of the winter, you guys. 6'11". Oh my goodness, man. A good fight. Boy, ain't nothing like a good fight on a bass. $6.11. My goodness, you guys. Look at the size of this bad boy. Look at that. 6'11", you guys. Woo! All right, guys. 6'11", back in the water.